What is going on? What a crazy week this was for the magical internet money known as Bitcoin. On Wednesday, December 16th, Bitcoin blew through its all-time highs over 20K and staying there until today, which is December 18th. And man, wow, who would have ever thunk it would have hit there, a couple of years ago. It hit up to 19K, but it finally broke through the 20K mark and it's not stopped. Like 20,000 a coin, like that is absurd. Like really, the FOMO is real on that. It's like, why couldn't I just invest $100 into it and hold on to it? And you would have been a millionaire. Like how crazy is that? How absurd is that? That's ridiculous. I mean, the last time I checked, I believe that I don't think it would have a problem hitting 30K. At the time of this video, the last time I saw it, it was over the $23,000 mark, and it seems to fluctuate like crazy. So it can spike to 30 and then bounce back, pull back, and then go up from there. Or, it could crash again. Who knows? It's unpredictable. And what's even more nuts is that these analysts are predicting within the year 2021 that it can be anywhere between $30,000 and $100,000 for one coin. Like, what the? Like, that's crazy. I mean, back when all this technology was new, the blockchain, the bitcoins, the other cryptos, I didn't get into it because I didn't see any purpose in it. Who knows? But times have changed, and all I can say is, wow, I can't believe I missed the boat on that. But yeah, times have changed, and I just started recently investing into some crypto because seeing where things are going, especially with the Fed and Jay Powell, just the money, the printer, it doesn't look good, and the debt is over 100% from the previous years, which is not good at all. So we have to, at least for me, I have to find other assets, and I don't know, gold you can't do much with, at least with Bitcoin. Many more doors are opening up with it. There are many more opportunities to use it. More people are using it, with the wallets. And again, with PayPal allowing you to buy through them and hold on to it through them. It's bringing more people to the crypto market, which is also good. But it is going to get to a point, it is slowing down now that the hashing and finding all these Bitcoins are coming to a close. They're running out. You're not going to be able to mine for them anymore. It's going to become a supply and demand issue where you can't mine for these anymore and more people want them. So that's also going to drive the price up, which, if you think of it logically, supply and demand, it makes sense. But again, the future is unpredictable. Does that make it a good investment? I don't know. I can't say that. I am not a financial advisor. I can't tell you that it's going to go up, it's going to go down. You have people on both sides saying, it's a bubble, it doesn't make sense, it's going to crash. And you got other people, like I stated earlier, that it's going to shoot up to 100,000 a coin, which is still mind-blowing. But you have to make your own judgment on that. If you have a few extra bucks to just throw at it and hold on to it and see where it goes, it's something that you're not afraid of losing if it crashes. But you don't know until you take the risk. We saw it before. So, which also leads me to the other thing: is it too late to get into Bitcoin? I don't think so, because again, with these price targets going up to 30, 40, 50, 100, there's plenty of room to run. This bull run is nowhere over with. So if you want to jump in, hop on board, ride it up to the top. And then if it pulls back some, you can always buy some more, or you can just ditch it and never touch it again. Again, at your discretion. In terms of my crypto portfolio, I don't have much. Again, just disposable income. I just threw out some cryptos, XRP, Ethereum, and some Bitcoin. So, and plus, with the bunch of cryptos that Coinbase gives you for learning it, which is good too, because you can just cash out on it and convert it right to Bitcoin. But yeah, I got about $150 sitting in Bitcoin, and it sits in a wallet and collects some interest. Pretty good interest, definitely beats any bank in my book. I mean, I usually use two apps when I buy crypto, Coinbase and Gemini. But Gemini, the last time I used it, took forever to transfer and give me the coins. At least with Coinbase, their price is a little high, but I guess it's worth it because as soon as you buy it, you get it, and then you can transfer it, because I'll pull it out of Coinbase and throw it to BlockFi, which is pretty cool because it has multiple different cryptos that you can get some phenomenal interest rates. I think like the USD gets a 12% interest rate, which is what? And then you have interest rate on Ethereum, I think it's like 5%. And then Bitcoin, you get 6%. And they got other ones like Litecoin and stuff like that. So yeah, nothing fancy. I'll drop some links down in the description for you to check out. Or if you want to check out these websites, BlockFi, Gemini, and Coinbase if you haven't already. Oh yeah, to also add, you can buy Ethereum and Bitcoin on Robinhood, which I kind of would stay away. I had some in there for a little bit, just cashed out on it, transferred it over, because technically you don't have access to those coins, so God forbid if something were to happen, you can't get them. And then you have what is called the Grayscale Fund. You've probably seen a commercial for it. Just basically an ETF. Probably not, I haven't looked into it, but granted, ETF of all the different cryptos that you can access through a brokerage, your Schwabs, your TDs, your Fidelities, all those. Now I guess I'll leave you with this. Over 1 year, Bitcoin is up over 200%. That outperforms any other asset by far. You have gold coming in at 24% over the year, and the S&P 500 at over 14%. So for me, I'm holding on to Bitcoin for the long run. So which leads me to ask you, are you investing in Bitcoin? As always, thanks for checking out this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. I greatly appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like and a thumbs up. Subscribe. And hope to see you next time. See ya.